Late night, boys. Just woke up from a long nap, man. I was tired this day. Been fishing since 6 this morning. Fished about 6 hours, and that heat beat up on us. So it drained me, man. I was asleep. We headed to HEB to get some food. We're gonna cook some fish. So I gotta go pick up some cooking oil. Gotta pick up some cases of water, fish fry, and that stuff like that. But try to get out in the morning. First, actually, I gotta stop by Academy. I need to buy a few leaders real quick, because I was definitely short on leaders fishing today, and we don't want to be like that tomorrow. So I gotta go drop some money on that. My new reel came in the mail. Got it right here. It's about 18-pound drag Shimano. So we're gonna try to get some braid, probably 15, 20-pound braid, and spool this up for the night and put it on one of my smaller poles, which I'm probably not gonna use, at least not in the location we're going in the morning. But fish with the big poles, man, so we don't come across that situation we did fishing the other day, or fishing earlier today. We don't want that to happen, but we're gonna see how it go, boys. Hips though. Doing a little grocery shopping. Let's go get some product and material to cook this food. You get my keys mixed up. You pushing the basket? Pushing the basket? Alright. Get the little bitty one. This one right here. You got it?
Yeah, I can wear a waist.
You did what? Go get it. Big lobster tail. Which one? Lobster? Lobster on the video? I wonder who did that. Somebody left a whole damn jug of milk. I need to put a jug of milk in the house. Got this one. Vegetable oil. Vegetable. Now we in search for bird. The bread, G.
So, but this one.
Yeah.
Where's the better one?
I don't see that one up there. It don't matter. On a hot day like this. I think the water owl is over here. I need to get some limonada. Let's go down this aisle. Toiletry. Yep. So this is the one we got at the house now. The unsweet. We need the vanilla. That'll work. Down that. Let's roll. Need to get some. Gotta get some cheese and gotta get some turkey. And then also another loaf of bread. That way I can make some sandwiches for tomorrow. So now we're headed to get some cheese. And we gotta get some turkey. And then chips. Which one's the chips? That let's go down that one first. Chip. All right, boys, we finished up. Got a nice little small basket. Now it's time to head off to Academy. Just head and check out real quick and see what the total is. And she just holding on to them chips. Holding on to them, eh? Oh, wow.
Ready?
Saved $1.78. What's up, babe? This dude ready to go right here, boy. Speeding up.
I actually saw a mermaid over there.
Where?
It was over there now.
$95. Where we parked it? Down there? On the other side. Come on. Off to Academy, boys. I don't know why I was looking for my blue car. Forgot we in our old Jeepy Jeep. Come on, Ken, speed it up. Should be able to work. Bread. Did I was like, damn, did I ever get the extra bread? Watch out for that bread, mama. Watch out. Gonna get these groceries put in, y'all. Then we across the road, right there where that blue little logo is. Y'all see, it is Academy. Academy. Don't look too packed. Actually, parking lot not that big.
Look at that park.
A little baby park for the backyard.
Because we only have a trampoline in the backyard.
Only a trampoline. Only. That's a big only, girl.
It's only a baby.
I wonder why.
Bless me.
You're a big girl. I almost left you. He mad. I almost left you. Yep.
I remember you got me.
I think it was on this aisle. To the right, to the right. Catfish minnow.
Catfish?
Yeah.
It's a real catfish in there.
It is catfish.
What size is it?
Huh?
What size is it?
What you mean, what size is it?
No, what side in it? What inside? Like, what inside is it?
It's a minnow trout.
It don't look like nothing.
I got some kind of stuff in there. Get a few of these red setups. But I think we're looking for the ones that got the... They probably all gone like last time. These right here. But we need the mono though. So it'll be this setup. We gotta start making these, boys. We gotta start making them. What is this? 1 ounce, $2 a piece. Size 4 hook. Probably go with a few of these. Matter of fact, we go with all these. All these. Trout setup. It's a red setup. I feel like the red setup should be like this, but I guess I'll get these. Let's do 2 of those. Since it's hard to come by. Saltwater. I never used this one. What is this? We got these already made up. Maybe this will be a good one. Finished up at Academy. All right, y'all, we finished up at Academy. Now it's time to head to the crib, get some cooking. When we go back where? Home? Yeah. Gotta get it in. Yeah, we got about probably 10 liters, man. Actually, some of them got 2 in the pack, so we got all together probably about 15, 16 liters. And we definitely need them, man, because we lost about 7 a day just, you know, doing regular fishing from the bank, getting hung up on the bottom. And I don't want to be like that again, so we had to restock on the supply. Cody lost about 7 of them. Nah. It's all good though, man. We'll be out there in the morning, killing them. Let's get it.
I wish that I can get that little.
All right, boys, we got a few fish here. We got the black drum that we caught today mixed up here, and we got some other fish right here mixed up, seasoned up. Bro got it over here getting ready to cook. We gonna get this fried up, man, and we gonna have a feast. What you did? We gonna get a feast. I said we can get a feast. We're gonna cook it up, get everything going, man, and enjoy this black drum. Black drum. You want some black drum like last time? Got the black drum and I'm getting ready to go.
Daddy.
And we finna eat, man. Hey, it was a good day.